Okay, we're going to be making crepes, so we need to get 1 cup of flour and put that into the blender. Now we're going to put in 2 eggs into the blender. There we go. Next we're going to put 2 teaspoons of sugar in the blender. So we got some sugar. We're putting it in the blender. There we go, 2 teaspoons.
This is a half teaspoon.
Oh, this is a half teaspoon, so we got to put 4 of them in. Alright, there we go. Then we need 1 cup of milk to put in the blender next. So we put our cup of milk in there. We need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So there we go. Then we'll need half a cup of water. Now we need 2 teaspoons of butter. So we put in 2 teaspoons of butter. Now it's ready to blend. Now we're gonna blend it up. The crepes, we're gonna want to pour in the crepe mixture into a pan with butter on it, and we're gonna wait till the sides start to crisp up to flip it over. After we cook this is how it'll look. And some good toppings are ham and cheese for a breakfast crepe. We could do jam for a dessert crepe, or Nutella. That's another good decision. So follow this recipe and you can have a good crepe.
Please leave a like and subscribe.